Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to be talking about base 10 blocks again, and this time we're going to be drawing representations for that. So let's get started having some fun with numbers. Okay, so I'm going here to the second slide, and the first thing we're going to do is roll some dice. So I've got some virtual dice here, and it's just going to give me two numbers. I'm going to roll 2 dice. And I've rolled a 1 and a 3, so I'm going to get a 1 and a 3. Okay, so what number does a 1 and a 3 make? That's right, 13. So I'm going to represent that with my base 10 blocks. Okay, I know one of those rods makes 10, right? 10, 11, 12, 13. So, how many groups of 10 do I have? How many groups of 10 do I have? I'm going to get my pen here. Let's see, here I know that I've got this group of 10 here. How many are there? That's right, I've got one group of 10. And I can also drag 1 here to represent my 1. And how many ones do I have? How many ones do I have? Let's see, let me erase this part over here. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 ones. Okay, 3 ones here. And I can also drag a 3 here to represent my 3 ones. Now, before I used base 10 blocks here, but something else that mathematicians do is they draw a line. They draw lines to represent the 10 because it looks just like one of the rods. It looks similar. So for the number 13, can go 10, because that represents one group of 10, 11, 12, 13. So these are actually the same. These representations here are exactly the same. This is one group of 10, and then the 3 dots are 3 ones. Are you ready to practice another one? Okay, so I'm going to roll my dice again. I'm going to roll 2 dice here. And I rolled a 3 and a 2. So I'm going to drag a 3 and a 2 up. What number does 3 and 2 make? The 3 is in the tens place. So, and the 2 is in the ones place. So this number, if I read it left to right, is 32. That's not just a 3, is it? That's actually 30. 32. Very good. So we're going to represent that with our base 10 blocks. So how many 10s should I have? That's right, 3 10s. How do I know that? Because the 3 is in the tens place. There's actually 30, so let's count them. 10, 20, 30. 31, 32. So how many groups of 10 do I have? I actually have 3 groups of 10. And how many ones do I have? That is correct. I have 2 ones. And now I want to draw these with my base 10 models. Now, if I didn't have these sticks and dots over here and I just had paper, I want to show you how that might look. Okay, so I'm going to draw this and with sticks and dots. And if I am drawing 32, how many 10s? 10, 20, 30, and then I could just draw little circles. 31, 32. Very good. So that's also another way that I can draw it. Okay, are you ready to do it again? Okay, let's roll the dice. I'm going to roll 2 dice this time. And we rolled a 4 and a 4. Let's think about this. A 4 and a 4. We're going to put this 4 in the 10's place. And this other 4's in the 1's place. So what is this number? 44. That is correct. So let's build it with our base 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Very good. How many groups of 10 do I have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 10. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups of 1. So we're going to use our sticks and dots over here to represent that too. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. Very good. So even if I don't have base 10 blocks, I can represent a number. Let's do one more together. You ready? I'm going to click on the dice and roll 2 dice. A 1 and a 5. Okay, you ready? A 1 and a 5. Okay, so I put the 1's in the 10's place and the 5 is in the 1's place. So what number do we have? That's right, 15. So let's make 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now when I started counting that, why did I say 10? That's right, because there's 10 ones in here. So that's why I started with 10. How many groups of 10 do I have? That's right, I have 1 group of 10. And how many ones do I have? You are correct. We have 5 ones. Now we're going to draw it with our sticks and dots here. So I have 1 group of 10, so I can say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Great job. So mathematicians, we can use tools like base 10 blocks to create numbers, and we can also draw a model here to represent 10 and 1. Great job, boys and girls. You will get a chance to practice this.